Scandinavian Airlines would like their members to enjoy, rather than stack, their air miles. We know people usually book a trip when they sit down together. We also know that the top earners are the people with the busiest schedules. So instead of just a great offer, we came up with a catch. Couple up to buckle up. The 2-for-1 offer, it takes 2 to see. An email was sent out to over 100,000 selected members. The message contained 2 QR codes. One for you, one for your loved one. Only by combining both YouTube clips did the offer make sense, and you needed the combined code when booking your trip. Of course, if you opened the email on your phone, you simply invited your partner from there. The offer could also be found in print, banners, and on Facebook. During the campaign week, we sold out every ticket available. But more importantly, we managed to get busy couples to sit down for a while and plan for a weekend away together.